You're welcome back to my channel once again. Thank you so much for watching this video, and a very big thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel and those who are liking my videos. Thank you, I really appreciate it. God bless you. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please just click on that subscribe button. It won't take you a second to click on that subscribe button. You can also give this video a like if you enjoyed this video. Please, all this will actually encourage me to make more videos for you guys. Thank you so much as you do that. God bless you. You can also hit that the notification icon so that you can get notified anytime I drop new videos. God bless you. Today I would like to show you how you can use wallet extension on your phone instead of using laptop or PC. So I'll show you how you can connect your Phantom wallet, and it's the same thing for all the wallets, Metamask and all other wallets as well. The process is the same thing. Just try and watch this video to the very last end. It's very simple and straightforward. So what you need to do first is to open your Play Store on your Android phone, and you type in Yandex browser protect. So that is what you type on the search box, and you search for it. So this is actually the app. I've downloaded it, so that I'm having open button at this place. So I'm going to click on this open button. So for you, you are going to download and install. So after that, you open it. So when you open it, this is the page that you're going to have. I'm going to close this one. So this is the page that you're going to have. Now I want to connect my Phantom wallet. I want to use my Phantom wallet extension on my phone. So what I'll do now is to click on this search box, and I will type in phantom dot app. So I click on go. Then I'll click on this download. So to give me option, I'll choose Chrome. Then it will give me this page. So I'm going to zoom out by dragging the screen. So this is what I'm actually looking for, this add to Chrome. I'm going to click on it. So when I do that, it says extension can fill and edit your data on all websites. I'll click on add extension. So it's downloading now already. You can see at that place is writing checking. So I'm going to wait for it to finish the download. You can see that the extension has been added to it. So what I just need to do now, I can actually, in order to have a good interface, I'm going to change this to desktop version. So I'm going to click on this three dot line here. I'll click on desktop version here. So you can see, so that I will be able to have a good interface. So I'm going to import my wallet now, my Solana wallet. As you know that Phantom only supports Solana. So I'll click on use secret recovery phrase to import. I'll click on it. So and I will input my secret phrase here. Okay, so when I input my recovery phrase, it took me to this place to put a password. So I've inputted my password. So I'm going to click on continue. So and okay, it said you can open Phantom at any time using this article. So that was not actually a problem. So I'll click on the continue now, and you're all done. Follow the along the process of this. I don't know this one, so I'll click on finish. So actually my Phantom wallet has been imported. In order for me to access it now, I think I'll just have to go to this place. Just click on this. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, let me type in I'll type in Phantom dot app. Okay, okay. So I'll click on this place and I'll click on extension here. So I'll choose this one. I'll wait for it to load. So you can see this is my Phantom wallet. Still loading. Okay, so you can see that my wallet has been imported. So this is my Phantom wallet now. So that is just a simple way to import your Phantom wallet. So I'm going to do the same thing for Metamask now. So I'll back it. Then in order for me to do it for Metamask also, I'm going to create another tab entirely. So I'll click on this tab. I might actually close this one. Then I'll click on create new tab. Then I'll click on Metamask. I'll type Metamask extension. So I'll load it. So I'm going to choose this first option. So the same way I did for Phantom, I'm going to do it for Metamask. So I'm going to zoom out, then I'll click on add to Chrome. So I'll click on add extension. You can see download started. So I'll wait for it to finish the download. Okay, so once the download is done, you can see that it said it has brought this remove from Chrome. So that means the extension has been added. So I'm waiting for it to load. You can see get started. So I have my Metamask extension now. So in order for me to start using Metamask on these Yandex, so I'm going to click on get started. Then in order for me to have a good interface just like I did for Phantom, I'm going to click on this three dot line. I'm going to change this to desktop version. So you can see. So we'll click on get started. Then is either I import the wallet or I create new wallet, just like I did for Phantom. So if you don't have any wallet, you can create new wallet. If you already have wallet already, if you already have wallet rather, so you click on this import wallet, then you click on I agree. Then you input your secret recovery phrase at this place and put the password that you import. So I'm not going to do that now, but it's just the same process for any extension that you want to use on your phone. It's the same process. Just add the extension to your Yandex browser. So that is just a simple way to do it. Thank you so much once again for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like this video if you enjoy it. Also, you can click on that bell icon so that you can get notified anytime I drop new videos. Thank you so much. God bless you. See you again later. Bye.